So si Habi ay nakakita po ng pufferfish.
Pufferfish.
Yeah, so pero patay na po yung ano, kasi inanod po siya ng tubig. Kagabi sigurado ang lakas po ng alon kasi kung nakikita nyo yan,
There, let me
oh yan oh, basang-basa po yung dito sa gilid pa.
see it here.
Yeah?
He has a beak like a bird. Okay, very sharp. Okay.
Then,
Good form. This is his fins on the side. See,
yeah?
he goes like this. And his tail makes him go fast. But when he's afraid, whenever he puffs up with air.
So it's a big, right? What do you think? He or she?
I don't know. Now you haven't had sex.
Female or male?
I don't know.
So yan, yellow, paborito kong kulay ang suot ni Mr. Horton. Kaya huwag niyo po sanang kakalimutan i-like at i-follow. Thank you for watching guys. Good morning.